Biosecurity is paramount. Trucks are fully disinfected before entry, and workers pass through. Check the water levels in Sector Gamma. We have a significant drop.
Adjusting the flow rate remotely.
Every aspect of the Duroc breed's health and movement is tracked by AI, ensuring peak breeding performance within these hygienic, climate-controlled pens.
Shows a slight elevation here.
Yes, the AI flagged that meridian earlier. We should monitor it closely.
The AI system provides real-time analysis of the fetal heartbeats, allowing the specialist to monitor the development of the litter simultaneously.
Every aspect of the Duroc breed's health and movement is tracked by AI, ensuring peak breeding performance within these hygienic, climate-controlled pens.
The newborn Hampshire piglets gather around the sow and begin nursing, receiving nutrient-rich colostrum essential for immunity.
Breathing is steady, good vitality score.
Confirmed. Uploading to the system now.
This one is healthy, 2.5 pounds. Active.
Okay, logged. Moving to the next one.
Answer. Every piglet receives a unique RFID tag, instantly uploading critical data to the farm's AI management system.
The Hampshire pigs are calmly loaded into the climate-controlled trailers, beginning their journey to one of the world's largest processing facilities. At one of the world's largest finishing farms, automated systems and AI monitoring ensure the health and safety of the livestock from the moment they arrive. We have a fluctuation in barn 12 temperature.
I see it. Adjusting the climate controls remotely.
The thermal signature on this one looks excellent.
Okay.
Confirmed, the AI predicts continued health stability.
Bastards. Massive stainless steel feed silos automatically deliver corn, soybean meal, vitamins, and minerals.
Manure removal systems beneath the slatted concrete flooring continuously transport waste through enclosed channels.
The real-time carbon reduction is exceeding our projections.
Yes, the methane recovery is extremely efficient this quarter.
Traceability is confirmed across the board. The weights are projected perfectly for the morning pickup.
Excellent. I'll finalize the processing plant delivery plans now.
Advanced climate-controlled trailers ensure the comfort of the livestock, while automated RFID systems verify every animal before the journey begins.
RFID checks complete on all bays.
Confirmed. AI predicts 0 incidents for this shipment.
These intelligent gate systems are designed to minimize stress while maintaining a continuous flow of production.
Premium pork rib sections are precisely separated using AI-guided robotic cutting systems capable of producing thousands of consistent cuts every hour. Using advanced AI guidance, this equipment achieves exceptional accuracy, creating perfectly uniform retail-sized pork portions. In this chapter, we explore how advanced robotics are revolutionizing the way we bring pork products from the farm to your fridge. A look inside the enormous value-added pork manufacturing hall. AI robotics and precision machinery work in... The precision slicers, guided by advanced AI, can produce thousands of uniform slices every hour. Machine vision systems analyze each package. X-ray inspection complete. Pass. This ensures only the highest quality product is approved for shipment.
This facility operates on an unprecedented scale, moving products globally, while
This facility utilizes state-of-the-art AI to separate valuable raw materials, ensuring strict HACCP hygiene standards are met throughout the process. From massive industrial dryers to automated milling equipment, the entire process is overseen by AI quality control. The methane recovery rate is up by 20% this quarter.